Hey food lovers! Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Mexican rice every single time. Trust me, this recipe will change your life. Alright, let's get started. First up, you need 1 cup of long-grain white rice. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. This step is crucial for getting that fluffy texture we all love. Next, grab a large skillet or a pot. Heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium heat. Once the oil's hot, toss in your rice. Stir it around until the rice turns a beautiful golden brown. This toasting step adds an amazing depth of flavor. Now add half a cup of finely chopped onion and 1 minced garlic clove. Saute until the onions are translucent and the garlic smells heavenly. Here comes the flavor bomb, 2 cups of chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth if you prefer. Then stir in half a cup of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Give it a good mix so everything's well combined. Bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low and cover the pot. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until the rice is tender and the liquid is fully absorbed. No peeking. Okay, time's up. Turn off the heat and let it sit, covered, for an additional 5 minutes. This helps to steam the rice and makes it even fluffier. Fluff it up with a fork, and there you have it. Perfect Mexican rice. It's vibrant, flavorful, and the perfect side dish for any Mexican meal. Give this recipe a try, and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on any delicious content. See you next time, foodies!